Teledyne FLIR, and we're at SPIE DCS in Washington, D.C., introducing our new software, Prism, for computational imaging and for AI perception applications. The libraries are available for various thermal ISP functions that include super resolution, turbulence mitigation, and local contrast enhancement. These libraries are available to run on a number of platforms from Qualcomm and NVIDIA. On Prism AI, we have a number of models that we offer for different types of target detection. We have a model for automotive applications, so vehicle, pedestrian sort of detections. And then we have our air-to-ground model, which is for UAV and gimbal payloads, and 5 classes in that model for vehicle and people and marine target detection. Then we have our counter UAS model for drone detection. We also have a ground ISR object detection for long-range detection of vehicles, military targets. And these libraries are available today to download and evaluate. Please contact us for more information.